Here we're asked to sketch a graph of the function here. So this one here, if we're looking at it in standard form, we have no b or c values here. Or if you're thinking of it in vertex form, there's no h or k values. So it's actually really nice because it tells us that the vertex of our parabola is at the origin. Because if we were to plug in x is equal to 0, well, 0 squared is 0 times negative 1/2 is still 0. So that tells us the vertex here is at the origin. And if we're looking at this like it's in vertex form, we have a negative value. So it's actually going to flip this parabola to be upside down. So in this one here, we have negative 1/2. If we think of it like in vertex form, we're going to have a negative a value of 1/2. So every y value is actually going to be cut in half. So what that means, if we plug in a couple of values here for x, let's see what happens. So if I plug in 1 squared is 1 times negative 1/2. So there's our first point. If I plug in negative 1, I'm going to get negative 1 squared, which is just 1, times negative 1/2. So I get the same value. If I plug in 2, I get 2 squared, which is 4, times negative 1/2, which is negative 2. So that would be here. And then if I plug in negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, times a negative 1/2 is negative 2. So this is our parabola. Looks like this here. It's upside down because it's negative, and it's a little bit compressed vertically because of this a value here.